Misters of Ceremony, also President of the Suva Market Vendors Association. Chair of Special Administrators for Suva City and Lami Town Councils, Mr. Singh. President and Executive Members of the Suva Market Vendors Association, the Executive Management Staff and staff of Suva City Council, members of the media, market vendors, ladies and gentlemen. Bolovenaka Supermarket. Very good morning to you all. First, I'd like to thank the association for putting on a garland, salu salu, that harmonizes the message, which is our celebration this morning. It fills my heart with immense pride and patriotism to be here with you on this very special occasion, celebration of Fiji Day, the vibrant Suva market. Our beloved Fiji is not just a nation. It's a tapestry of culture, a mosaic of traditions, and a testament to the strength of unity. This year marks 53 years since the day Fiji gained its well-deserved independence on October 10th, 1970. I was not born on the day, so do the chair of the City Council, as well as most that are here with us this morning. Our journey since then has been one of progress, resilience, and collective growth. Today we stand in the heart of Suva, a city that has witnessed our history unfold, and the Suva market, a place that has been a cornerstone of our communities. Independence brought with it significant changes, including the inception of municipal elections for towns and cities. On November 5th, 1972, Suva and Lautoka held their first municipal elections. It was a pivotal moment, for it granted our towns and cities the responsibility to own, manage, and operate farmers' markets. Special market bylaws were enacted, recognizing the invaluable role of our market vendors and providing a framework for the management and operation of these markets. Since that historic day, our farmers' markets have played an indispensable role, not only from an economic standpoint, but also from a social perspective. The Suva Central Farmers Market alone generates an estimated $2 million per month, equating to $24 million a year. That is really a significant, a valuable amount. The growth trajectory is positive, driven by Suva's urbanization and thriving businesses. With growth comes responsibility, and Suva City Council is committed to capacity building programs and investment. We have set short-term goals and will establish a strategic direction by the end of 2024. Repair and maintenance projects are already underway, reaffirming our commitment to the welfare of our markets and our people. However, our journey doesn't end with infrastructure. It extends to the heart of the markets, the dedicated market management and vendors team. But ladies and gentlemen, let me also emphasize a significant development by our coalition government. After a lapse of 18 years, our coalition government has made the bold and forward-thinking decision to bring back municipal elections. This decision is not merely an administrative change. It is a profound principle. It is a profound commitment to the principles of democracy, community building, and focused growth of our towns and cities. Municipal elections are more than just a political exercise. They are the lifeblood of community engagement, where the voice of the people resonates in the hearts of local governance. Elected councils will become the guardians of our towns and cities, representing the hopes, dreams, and concerns of our residents. These elections symbolize a pivotal moment in our history, one where the residents of town and cities can actively participate in shaping the future. It is about empowering our communities, ensuring that their concerns are heard and their aspirations are realized. Furthermore, we recognize the need to advance digital knowledge at the grassroots level. Talks are underway with our development partners to introduce digital business training for our market vendors. Our aim is to ensure that digital literacy enhances the operations of micro vendors at the market, opening new horizons of opportunity. I'm delighted to acknowledge the support of the United Nations Development Program, or UNDP, in collaboration with Suva City Council and the Suva Market Vendors Association. Together, we are empowering our vendors through financial literacy programs, ensuring the economic well-being of our grassroots. Today, as we celebrate Fiji Day, we must remember that celebrations like this are not just about rejoicing our past, but also about charting our course for our future. They are about unity, community, and progress. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to the Suva Market Vendors Association for organizing this annual gathering in partnership with Suva City Council. These celebrations are vital. They remind us of our shared history and our shared dreams. They bind us together as one, just as the different threads create the tapestry of Fiji's diverse culture. Before I conclude, ladies and gentlemen, let us also take a moment to extend our heartfelt wishes to our national rugby team, who have been shining bright at the Rugby World Cup 2023. Their dedication and performance fill our hearts with pride. And don't forget, they'll be playing their last game next week on Monday morning. I hope all of us are going to come up, are going to watch in large numbers and also wearing blue to support our Fiji rugby team in their last pool game against Portugal at 7 o'clock early Monday morning next week. So at least when you celebrate Fiji Day on the Tuesday, we're going to celebrate with joy, and we're happy that there is additional achievement by our national rugby team. Ladies and gentlemen, happy Fiji Day to all of you. Let us cherish this day and all that it represents. Let us stand together, united in our diversity, and let us work as one team to take Fiji forward. Go Fiji, go. May God bless Suva City. May God bless us all. May God bless Fiji.
rugby team. Wish you all the best.